Artificial intelligence, transforming the modern world. Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly becoming a pivotal technology, impacting numerous fields and redefining the boundaries of human capabilities. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI is transforming industries, creating new economic opportunities, and presenting profound ethical questions. This article explores the foundations of AI, its applications, and the ethical considerations accompanying its rapid advancement. 1. Understanding artificial intelligence. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to machines or software designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and perception. AI is broadly categorized into two types. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, this type is designed to perform a specific task such as facial recognition or language translation. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. General AI, also known as strong AI, this type aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI remains largely theoretical and is an area of ongoing research. 2. Key technologies in AI. AI comprises several core technologies, each contributing to its expanding capabilities. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI. ML involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from data. This technology powers recommendation engines, fraud detection systems, and even medical diagnoses. Deep learning, a more advanced subset of ML, deep learning uses neural networks with many layers to analyze large datasets and make sophisticated predictions. This technology is behind recent breakthroughs in image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP allows machines to understand and respond to human language. Applications of NLP include chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language translation tools. Computer vision. This technology enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. Computer vision applications are integral to autonomous vehicles, medical imaging, and security systems. 3. Applications of AI across industries. AI is transforming industries by automating processes, enhancing productivity, and creating new avenues for innovation. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by assisting in diagnostics, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatments. Algorithms can analyze medical images to detect diseases, identify drug interactions, and even predict patient recovery times. Finance. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and personalized customer experiences. AI-driven chatbots handle routine inquiries, while complex algorithms assess credit risks and investment opportunities. Transportation. Self-driving cars are one of the most visible applications of AI. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are working to create autonomous vehicles that can operate with minimal human intervention, potentially reducing traffic accidents and improving urban mobility. Retail. AI enables retailers to predict consumer preferences, optimize supply chains, and provide personalized shopping experiences. From Amazon's recommendation engine to in-store robots, AI is reshaping the shopping experience. Education. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences by analyzing students' strengths and weaknesses, providing tailored study resources, and assisting teachers with grading. 4. Ethical and social considerations. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also presents significant ethical challenges that must be carefully managed. Job displacement. As AI automates repetitive tasks, concerns about job loss are growing, particularly in sectors like manufacturing and customer service. Preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future is essential to mitigate this risk. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms can inherit biases present in the data on which they are trained. This can lead to biased decisions in areas such as hiring, policing, and credit approvals. Ensuring transparency and fairness in AI systems is a pressing issue. Privacy. The use of AI in surveillance, facial recognition, and data collection raises privacy concerns. Protecting personal data and ensuring consent are critical as AI-driven applications become more pervasive. Control and accountability. Advanced AI systems, especially autonomous ones, pose questions about accountability. Determining responsibility in cases where AI systems make incorrect or harmful decisions is complex. Ethics of autonomous weapons. AI's role in military applications has sparked debates about the ethics of autonomous weapons. The possibility of AI being used in warfare raises concerns about control, responsibility, and international security. 5. The future of AI. AI's future holds promise and uncertainty. Some potential developments include human-AI collaboration. Rather than replacing humans, AI will increasingly work alongside them, enhancing human abilities. This collaboration could unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and problem-solving. General AI development. The pursuit of general AI remains a distant goal, but breakthroughs in neural networks and computational power bring it closer to reality. Achieving general AI would open new possibilities, but also amplify ethical concerns. Regulation and policy. As AI continues to shape society, governments worldwide are considering regulatory frameworks. Balancing innovation with oversight is critical to ensure that AI benefits society without causing harm. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, offering incredible opportunities for growth, innovation, and improved quality of life. However, with these advancements come challenges that require thoughtful consideration and responsible management. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society, we can ensure that AI develops in ways that are ethical, equitable, and beneficial for all. As we stand on the edge of this technological revolution, the choices we make now will shape the role AI plays in our future. Conclusion. Shaping the future with responsible artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence represents one of the most transformative technological advancements of the 21st century, with its impact spanning nearly every aspect of our lives. From healthcare and finance to education and transportation, AI has the potential to redefine industries, streamline processes, and unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. This shift, however, is not merely technological, it is societal, economic, and ethical, affecting individuals and communities in profound ways. The promise of AI lies in its ability to augment human capabilities. In healthcare, AI has already made strides in diagnosing diseases more accurately and swiftly, offering insights that could lead to life-saving treatments. In finance, it improves security and personalizes services, while in transportation, self-driving vehicles could reduce accidents and traffic congestion. However, these benefits come with challenges, most notably in the areas of job displacement, privacy, fairness, and accountability. As AI systems become more integrated into daily life, we face difficult questions. How do we protect individual rights, prevent biases in AI models, and ensure accountability in a system where machines make decisions traditionally made by humans? For society to fully realize AI's benefits while minimizing risks, it is essential to approach this technology with responsibility and foresight. Collaboration among technology developers, governments, academics, and the public will be critical to create policies and regulations that both foster innovation and address ethical concerns. Privacy standards, transparency in AI models, and equitable access to AI benefits must become central priorities. Without a balanced approach, we risk deepening inequalities, creating new forms of discrimination, and losing control over systems that shape fundamental aspects of life. The future of AI offers boundless potential, but its direction is ours to determine. Ensuring a positive trajectory requires not only technical expertise, but a commitment to ethical principles and shared societal goals. Education and reskilling programs can help workers adapt to new job realities. Ethical frameworks and AI ethics boards can guide development and prevent harmful applications. Additionally, fostering public understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations will empower individuals to make informed choices about how they interact with AI-driven technologies. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it is a transformative force that will shape economies, relationships, and values in profound ways. As we stand on the threshold of an AI-powered era, it is up to us to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. By approaching AI's development and integration thoughtfully, We can build a future in which AI amplifies human potential, enhances quality of life, and contributes to a more just and equitable world. The journey to responsible AI is complex, but the rewards, if navigated carefully, promise a future where technology uplifts and empowers humanity as a whole.